Alright, so homework and remembering Unit 4, Lesson 7. I want to talk about the solve using mental math problems, number 15, 16, and 17. Looking at number 15, it asked us to mentally solve 82 times 100th. And a strategy to think about this is as when you are multiplying a whole number factor by a factor less than 1, which is this decimal is much less than 1 because it is 1/100th of a whole. So we know that when we multiply by a factor less than 1, that really what this is telling us is we're going to have to move our decimal place 2 times in this whole number factor. And we're going to move it 2 times to the left, because this number is going to get smaller, because this is saying 82 of 100th. 82 of 100th. We know this multiplication symbol as the word of. So what I like to think in my head is, okay, 82, where's my decimal point in 82? Well, it's to the right of the ones place, it's right there. And in 100th there are 2 decimal places. So to do this mentally, you need to figure this decimal place is going to move those 2 decimals over here, and that new number is going to be into the 100th place now. Okay? So now that we multiply by a factor that's in the 100th place, our answer is to the 100th place. And for number 15, we can think of this mentally as we get more used to it as 82 hundredths. And we can do the same strategy for solving mentally for number 16, so let's take a look at that. Number 16, we have 385 times 1/10. Now, once again, we are multiplying by a factor less than 1 that's to the 10th place. So we know our 385 is going to get smaller. Using those same digits, though, we need to move it 1 place to the left. There's our decimal to the 1 place. To the right of the ones place, we move it once to the left because we have 1 place value in our factor over here. And our new number is 38 and 5/10. That is a decimal point there. So try that with number 17 and see if you can come up with the correct answer, thinking of it mentally in your head. Number 17 has a second factor of 100th, so a decimal place will be moving accordingly to that factor. So hopefully that makes sense for you, and our class instruction along with this video will help you along the way to get that correct for numbers 15, 16, and then 17 on your own.